Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group in Google Meet. The first thing you do is open up your Google Meet app, click on new at the bottom here. Once you do that, click on create group. Add the group members you want to be in your group. By tapping them, you only have a maximum of 31 members you can add. Then you click on done. Give it a few seconds and then the meeting has started once they join the group. And that is how to create group in Google Meet. Don't forget to share the link by copying it over here. You can share it to other people you want to join your group. And once you want to start, click on the start.